It's day 2 of being on time, and not only on time, early. And we're gonna wear some sneaks today because it's raining. So we have this. We're gonna go interview an agent. After this, we have a team meeting. So we not only need to be on time for this, but we need to be on time for... Let's hit it. Okay, now we have a team meeting across the street with 13 minutes to spare. This time I brought the heels and wore the sneakers. Just a little reminder, never give up. Time to brave the elements again. Let's go. Hold on, my eyebrows are looking rusty. We're also gonna hit it. This makes me feel very fancy, and it's very good. When you spit up on your jacket, that looks disgusting. Okay. Wait. Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A little thunder. Meeting starts in 5 minutes. I need a LaCroix. I don't care what the cost. It looks really nice. It's a lake. Oh my god.
It's funny because Jackie looks so different.
Pull out the most random shit you have in your bag. Or we could do more business and we could...
These days it comes and goes. A list of mania. Think less but see it grow. Like a ride, oh. That is easily offended. Not let it go. From a mess to the masses. A list of mania. Think less.
It's 4 o'clock and studies show there's still a 100% chance that it's already raining. Let's go see our babies.